All right, we're back here at the barn. We've got 3 coats on this here. Shell and 2 fenders of the 72 RSR 3.6 911 Viper Green build here at Beats' Auto Barn. I'll do one last coat. I'll show you guys in action here, and here we go. Last coat, and then we're let this thing dry out for a week and wash her back down, and then I'm going to flow coat it. So this is just round 1, I call it. Here we go. Let's do a coat. Last coat.
Killer.
Guys in. Overspray should be gone. Filter's nice and green, and the exhaust filter. So this is 4 coats on it. That's the wide body fender. 1. And here's the shell. 72 RSR build. She's getting a 3.6 liter in it. It's a wide body, and it's Viper Green, code 225. So yeah, I'd like to get a good video of me painting, but it's hard if I don't have anyone to do it. Plus, they'd kind of be in my way. So, but here she is, guys. She's nice and smooth, but like I said, she's getting blocked down with 800 and 1,000. Then I'm going to flow coat it. So there's a quick video of it. I haven't had much time to get any videos made. I've been working on putting new heating system in my house, so just thought I'd shoot a quick one, and hope you guys liked it, and please subscribe. Thank you.